Welcome back to Shift Addicts, guys. In today's video, we visit our friend Sean to sand and paint the Talon's hood. We also install a new front bumper, but unfortunately I didn't get any video footage of that. So here you can see Sean working his magic on the hood. He's also giving me some good advice as well. I did get a few runs in with the sander after learning some basics. It's definitely something you need to practice often to get better. To master something like this, it would take years of practice. So we didn't technically use paint on the hood. We actually just sprayed a few layers of primer down instead. We did this just in case we wanted to go a different route in the future and decide to paint the car or something wild. So here's a still shot of the hood and bumper on the car after it was all said and done. I'm really liking the look. I think it just takes away some of that worn out sun damage feel. Next we started with the suspension. This wasn't too hard of a job. The front did give us some issues with some rusty bolts, which after a little bit of heat they came right off. So I'll put the link below for the exact coilovers we went with. Pretty happy with them. Obviously we haven't put them to the test yet, but later in the video I do a comparison shot so you can kind of see the difference they make with handling. So this next clip, we kind of struggled getting the bottom of the strut into the sleeve. So I just used that pry bar and shoved a nut in there just to keep it open. Made the process go a lot smoother. Overall, this wasn't too bad of a job. If you have an older car, be sure you're prepared to remove a few rusty bolts. The front end really gave us a few issues, but it wasn't too bad overall. The last shot I'll leave you with is a comparison of the stock suspension versus the aftermarket coilovers. Pretty cool to see the outside footage and an undercarriage shot. So hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to follow the journey as we race next week in Vinton. We'll see you guys next time.
It's like a goddamn 4x4.